Hey, I am Isha. Welcome to a new episode. People have become busier and busier nowadays. Life has become too fast with having no time to cook. So, to your rescues, Dixit Foods Amboli peeth, tasty and healthy, ready to cook. They have their specialization mainly in Maharashtrian food products. Everything is stated at the back, right from the cooking instructions to the ingredients list. One packet makes 15 ambolis, 1 5. This particular packet is of 500 grams and it costed me rupees 110. You can also try their variety of other products which are available on Amazon. They even have their own website. Instead of making plain amboli, I thought why not give it a twist, something interesting and experimental. So I have here some baby carrots, fresh coriander and green chilies. Grater for grating carrots. I am using your Kadhare's groundnut chutney and homemade butter, which is also called as loni in Marathi. Let's get started. Cut and pour the entire mixture in a mixing bowl. Amboli is actually a typical Malwani preparation. It's a thicker version of dosa and it can be made as a breakfast or a snack recipe. To this, I am adding 6 to 7 cups of measured water. Adding the correct quantity is very essential cause excess or less water may change the taste and texture. This was the tip of the day. Add half cup of oil to it, stir and mix well. Now the batter is ready. Meanwhile, get the carrots grated. Chopping veggies is also a task, isn't it? Grated carrots, chopped green chilies, and freshly chopped coriander. Now that you're good to go, I will be serving amboli with groundnut chutney and homemade butter, that is loni. Lit the gas, and once the pan gets heated up, spread some sufficient batter. Here I am using a non-stick hot pan tawa, and the flame I have kept it medium. The making is very similar to dosa, and I love the color, that is bright sunny yellow. Now top it with the goodness of veggies. Instead of using carrots, chilies and coriander, you can use other veggies of your choice. It totally depends on what you like. Very simple recipe, easy to make within minutes of preparation time. Now comes my favorite part, flip it, roast till it gets a nice golden brown color and serve hot. Enjoy anytime, anywhere. Their range of products is ideal for families, for students living abroad, for working professionals, for the younger and older generation both. Taste is very homely as it's free of any preservatives or any added artificial flavors or colors. Watching this sight of homemade butter melt, I am drooling over it. So I'm gonna quickly grab a bite. Catch you guys in the next video. Press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you so much for watching.